Trying to get an earthquake, guys. The earthquakes, they're continuing. Ha 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 ha. This is it. So, guys, there's like new earthquakes happening everywhere. They're happening like over in the snow area too. Okay, I literally just came over here to see this. Remember some of the other ones, like the ones that took these down, but these are different. I think these are building up to the next season. They're way shorter. Wait, I'm pretty sure there's like another one over here happening too. Yeah, I know it. They're happening everywhere. They're happening up here, over here, down here. It's happening everywhere. Why does this one feel way stronger than the other ones? Maybe these aren't from the drills. Is that it? Okay, I guess that's it. Let's go. I'm pretty sure they're happening constantly. Yeah, they're happening constantly. I don't think these are from the drills. Originally, it was the drills doing the other ones, but I don't think the drills are causing these. These are way stronger. Or maybe it's that giant drill in the files that's gonna become a tank. Oh no, you heard it. I think if you heard that, you could hear like a drill move. I'll show you the other two locations where they're happening. This is a longer video than I expected it to be, but this is big. I'm just so excited. I almost like laughed there for some reason. Like when I get excited, like my throat feels like I'm gonna laugh, even though I'm not gonna laugh. Just my throat feels a little weird. I'm like, yes. Let's go to the other. I will show you the other two spots where it's happening. You can go watch other videos too if you don't want to watch my video because yeah. Yep, they're happening up here. I'm pretty sure they're constantly happening. That's why I don't think it's from the drills. I think it's from like... Wait, let's listen. This is powerful. That felt way stronger than the other ones. Do you guys think another, 7 base is gonna fall? Is that it? Okay, I'll show you the final location of where it's happening. I think this is the final location. I think? Oh no, it's not. I'll show you the other two locations. I don't remember where all of them are. I'll go check a video and update you later. This is where it's happening. I don't think it's happening right now. But that's another spot. Wait, I ran out of Spider-Man, so... I'll go get more. I didn't expect this video to be so long. But, like, I'm just like... Yeah. There's 5 days until the season ends, so... Yay, I guess. I guess it's not happening right there right now. And then the final location is over in this area. which is probably not happening right now. But this is one of the other locations that I know of. I'm pretty sure there's 6 in total. I just don't know where the other 2 are. Well, that's really all for this little short video. I just wanted to show you that. And that's really it. See ya.